Hi, it's me again with Corel Raw Tips and Tricks, and thankfully somebody warned me that this video didn't, the video capture didn't go along with my text and my wording, and so I'm redoing it. So if you thought you saw this, maybe you didn't. Somebody sent me this S, and they want the end caps to be round, and there's probably a couple ways you could do it. The easiest way I think would be to now take this and go to object and convert it to a curve. That way it'll be a lot easier to measure. And in the video before, I discovered that the two, matter of fact, I'm going to make my numbers a lot bigger. So with just the text selected, I can go to the points and make it 150 points. That'll come up, and I'm going to make the dimension tool size bigger for the video. Parallel dimension tool, go from that node to that node, and we've got 230. On this side, we have 233. It's a little bit different. So we're going to draw an ellipse, and we're going to make it 2.3. And my ratio's locked, so it's going to only have to put in one number, and then the next one will be 2.33. And with that said, we can remove these numbers. Whoop. And we can grab this X right here, and it should snap right to the midpoint. All that you have to do now is take this, and you could, do this for a lot of letters, but they only really want the S. I don't know what they're going to do with it, but it's pretty cool looking. Maybe they're doing Superman. I don't know. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.